All right. This is after we cleaned it up a little bit. Took all the trash out. Just to give you an idea on how it looked taking the trash out. It's gonna take some time to get it together, but the trash is out. Trash is out. The rooms. All we have now is a shell that's set up to be repaired. Okay. 3-bedroom, 1 bath. 3-bedroom, 1 bath. It's the bathroom. Yeah. It's the ceiling in the bathroom. And let's look at the front.
They got nails everywhere.
Yes, there go the trash gang. Takes we threw out. Trash we threw out. It's a whole lot. Backyard, cleared it out. There we have it. Alright. Okay, that's it. Inside of the house. Show you how it looks. Nice backyard, though. It's a nice size yard. Give it that. Front of the house. Oh, that's a flat roof at the back. Okay. All right, gang, that's where we at with it. Talk with you guys later.